Okay, there it is. I got mail. One thing I didn't get was the look on the face of the postman or post lady, whichever one it was today, because I fell asleep, so I didn't get to see them open that. I was waiting on them. Anyway, let's see if them birds is in there. Okay, let's see. Anybody home? Nobody's home. Okay. Well. Well, maybe that's why. Oh, you gonna want some food, huh? Okay, I'll bring you some food. Just wait a minute, let me get this. My goodness. Okay. Here we go. Got all of this in here. Let me take a picture of that. That cat right there is putting her scent on me. It's not a good idea because my cats I don't like it. Wait there. Okay, we're going to take all this out. It's alright, don't worry, kitty. That kitty's really frightened. Poor thing stays out here in the cold, and nobody owns her. But we all try to give her some food. Okay. This time we're gonna close the box. Hopefully them birds will... Oh, that's it. It didn't close all the way. Oh, goodness. Oil can? Oil can. Wizard of Oz, right here on Let's See It Please.